こちゃん、お家帰るよ。ここちゃん。もう長さは別に短い方がいいとも思わんかったな今回は。
ますね、怪我しちゃったりとか、ちょっとお肌の状態悪くなるとこんな感じで硬い毛生えてきますね。
あ、
多分ちょっと皮膚炎があったりしたんじゃないかな、ここに。
皮膚炎、
こんな感じのが生えてきたりします。お肌悪くなったりすると。
あ、そうなん
あと怪我するか噛むかって感じですかね。
かわいいかわいい。
I thought it would be like poetry, that feeling of when eyes meet. They said it would feel so easy, like how a bird takes to the trees. They've written the songs and films and books of how it would take just one timely look to dance and fall your way into love, and that's how you'll know he's the one. It feels like way back when. I wish I had known it then. There's no such thing as a soulmate, 'cause love is what you make of it. I think I've got a taste of it. I wish I had known all of this before. I wish I had known, but at least now I know.
こんにちは。ここちゃん、可愛くなって、可愛くなって、ここちゃん。ここちゃん、ここちゃん、可愛いなってから。ここちゃん、はい。
Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's fight.